tere tulemast tagasi! Welcome back! Today you will learn how to say where you live, which means that at the same time you will also learn how to answer to the question kus sa elad? Kus sa elad means where do you live? Now to answer to this question you will first need to say I live. Do you remember how was I live in Estonian? Ma elan. Now to say that you live in some country, you will need to add s in the end of the country. So for example, if you live in Estonia, you would say ma elan Eestis. If you live in Spain, you would say ma elan Hispaanias. And for example, if you live in Finland, then you would say ma elan Soomes. What were the country names that had ma in the end? Well, for example, SAKSAMAAL, Germany, VENEMAAL, Russia, PRANTSUSMAA, France, or if you want to say England, then that would be Inglismaa in Estonian. Since maa means land, we don't say in the land, we say on the land, and on is the letter L in the end of the word. So if you live in Germany, then you would say ma elan SAKSAMAAL. If you live in Russia, you would say ma elan VENEMAAL. Or if you want to say that you live in England, then you would say ma elan Inglismaal. In conclusion, to say you live in some country, you will have to add either S or L in the end of the country name. In the next video, you will learn how to say you are from some country. Thank you for watching, aitäh! Head aega!